I've been managing Bala 20 years this season. Yeah, looking forward to the Europa Cup draw as well, so hopefully we can get somebody who we can challenge. Have you seen the list? Don't want an Irish team.
Sligo, here we come.
Dan, do you know anything about Sligo Rovers?
Ireland, isn't it?
Dyn ni dal yn gweithio yn trio sortio bob dim allan.
Y ffwrn ni, nôl I Cymru.
Hi Louise. Hiya. Ie, mae'n deud, to use your club logo to create a logo approval form. Pa format di hwnna, Louise? AI, sorry, dwi'n mynd all y bethau mas di. Iawn, oce, diolch Louise, thank you, ta-ra. Reit, dwi wedi cael logo wan. Sgynna i'n syniad beth dwi'n neud. Wel, da ni nôl wan ers 1 bore yma. Nôl yn y swyddfa, jyst wedi handi 7 bore yma. A mae'r gwaith caled yn cychwyn. Mae'n siwpyn bach yn stressed bore yma. A di blino. Mae gennau gyfarfod hefo Sligo ar ôl yr ail dro am sichinio. Via e-mail. Mae droi ffôn lawr yna. A wedyn maen nhw eisiau gwybod amdan plaint o gefnogwyr nhw sy'n cael dod drosodd I gêm ni. I UEFA ruling ydy 500, felly 50 o'r cynnau I fod, ond maen nhw'n disgwyl dod â 1,000 o bobl drosodd. If I say we can guarantee you 300 to start with, and then I can see where we go from there. Mae eisiau trefnu hawliau'r treledu. Mae hynny gyd eisiau neud. Mae eisiau hawliau'r security gyd. Mae'n gymaint o bethau sydd fel jigsaw ar hyn o bryd, a mae jyst eisiau rhaid o darnu at ei gilydd.
Ys gen i chwaraewr syniad faint o waith sy'n ymlaen til y llen?
Ddim syniad. Sgyn nhw ddim syniad. Ddim o gwbl. Ond dyna fo, ella I'm chwarae Pel-droed na draf. Be sy'n digwydd wan ydy, dyn ni'n cael gwybod pe bai ni'n curo Sligo, pwy fydd ni'n chwarae yn y rownd nesa. Dach Motherwell o'r Alban.
Good afternoon and welcome back everyone for the second qualifying round draw of the 2022-23 UEFA Conference. The deadlines for communicating venues and kick-off times of your
Rwle heb gwyn coch, mae'n eich o sio.
KF Lassi from Albania or FK Iskra, then its teams indicated by number 1.
50-51.
Which would lead to the following pairings. The first leg at home will be indicated with the number 3.
No, it's Motherwell.
Oh, sorry, man, Motherwell down here. Oh, sorry, well, I meant, yeah, and then next one's us.
No.
Yes. Indicated with the number 9. So, this will lead to the following pairings. Ferva FC from Hungary versus Bala SC from Azerbaijan. PFC
Bala Town
Bulgaria versus FK Macedonia.
Well.
Skopje.
Swn i'n gallu gofyn am rhywbeth well.
Or FC Nesami
Got killed.
Which numbers are left, but...
Diolch ofnadwy.
Ie, diolch yn fawr. Nôl I trefnu Sligo gynta, ie? A breuddwydio am Motherwell.
Looking forward to it now. Last training session before the game on Thursday, so raring to go. Session tonight is shape and just a lot of info about Sligo. I've been to watch them and, you know, they're a really good outfit and, you know, looking forward to locking horns with them.
And that makes all difference.
Hiya Fiona. Sut oeddech chi heddiw wan?
Iawn, diolch, sut wyt ti?
Mae'n braf, rwywan.
Mae'n lyflu.
Mae'n boeth.
Ddim yn boeth iawn.
Na? Pam?
Sa'n gwybod?
Thursday I'm going to treat myself to a full day off, so ready to chill out and just focus on the information which we need to give the lads, what they're going to play against and how we can cope with that. OK, went to watch it the other day, 4-2-3-1, didn't change, 2 holders in midfield, right winger, number 10, which is the number 9 most probably on the day, left winger, centre forward. Right back 3 is small, really small, so we'll affect that later on. The left back, really good player. Megged his winger 3 times in the game. Pissed me off because the winger fell for it 3 times. Whoever plays on that right side doesn't fall for it. So he waits for it and then he does a little thing. Naeem did it against us a bit last season. 2 best players on the night for me was the 9 and the 27. New Zealand lad, signed him to come over from New Zealand. They're competitive. It's proper game like us. What we'd play, it's physical. Gibraltar's referee. So just for us, we've got to be careful that we don't lose anybody, high feet, elbows, stuff like that. You've got to be really careful because you could kill us. But for me, yeah, I think we've got a great chance. Great chance. It's hard to enjoy. It's just a worry, the fear factor of not achieving, and obviously trying to do the best we can for the Welsh Premier League and try and get through to the next round. But you know, we've got a lot of big game players who've played in big occasions. Dave Edwards has played at the highest level in the Euros and stuff. Callum Woods has played at Wembley. Anthony Kay, 600 league games, so we've got a lot of quality and a lot of experience, and I think we're well equipped in terms of experience in the squad. So us on the night are not going to full press. We're going to have a mid-block, same as what will they do. So we're going to press middle of the half, between the 18 and between the centre circle here. Yeah, listening, lads, just on the trip over to Sligo, in all the papers and all the comments from them, it's just that we've got no chance and it's about them turning up and progressing into the next round. So interested to see how we'll cause them problems and stuff, because how much they've underestimated us. So in all the press, you've got no chance. So make sure we're up for the game. So it's match day morning and trying to relax a bit by bringing the dogs for a walk without taking me for a walk, and just trying to chill out really. Yeah, the area's a big part of my life. I moved into Pêl-Droed, just in Denbighshire. Llanganal, as a lot of people know it. Moved here when I was 9 in 1979. I've been here since really. It's a great place to live, and it's a great place to bring your kids up. Charlie and Annie have grown up in and around this area, which is, you know, fantastic. You know, the fear factor for me is that if we lose a game, going home, trying to deal with that, close the door, you're by yourself and stuff, it's difficult to deal with. Nobody sees that side of it when you lose. Everybody wants you when you win and wants to be part of it. When you lose, you close the door and the door's shut until your next win, basically, when everybody wants to come out the woodwork and be part of it, you know. So we want to fly the flag for Wales, want to fly the flag for the Welsh Premier League and put that on the map. Tonight's going to be tough, and it's going to be really tough, but can't wait to get going tonight. Just want the game to come as soon as it can. The 9 plays in the hole, linked up really well. Kieran, he doesn't go beyond you in the game. He doesn't go beyond you. The 19, remember what he does, he travels on, what does he do? Did it 3 times against the winger, nutmegged him last time. Don't let him happen. Lads, great opportunity for us to progress. Don't underachieve, don't let the night pass you by. Make sure we're in the tie after tonight, and make sure we're in a good position after tonight. All the best. All the boys.
about Bala before the draw?
No, never heard of it.
I've seen them on Sgorio on television a few times.
Oh, you won't last too long. You won't last too long. Everywhere they go, everywhere they go. 1, 2, 3.
Goal tonight, lads. Yeah.
I'll just leave you with one thing. All the papers, the TV over there, you have not got a chance. They totally wrote you off, totally disrespect you as a group. And I tell you now, if you all turn up, you all perform, we can go through. So don't let the night pass you by. Be patient, be professional in our approach, and be switched on to everything that we've got to do. All the best. Come on. Travel kids. And ball. Get out! Relax! Sit, Kieran, sit! Lassa! Ross! Tell him to relax! Lass! Anticipate! Far away from the keeper, that. Lasso, took in. Good boy, lass. Hey! I thought he's blown for the pen. Pen, man. Great decision, ref. Liner. Thought we were in there, Liner. Look on! Look on! Kieran! Gotta sit in front of the 9! Kieran! It doesn't matter about them! It doesn't matter about them! Kieran's got to do the 9 all the time. Kieran's got to do the 9. They're the only ones. Fourth. How's that stayed out? Oh. He's gone for the ball, hasn't he? He's gone for the ball. He's caught it in the air. He's up here in flight. He's gone and... No, he's got to go for it. He's got to go for a strike. At this day and age, you've got to go for that. You'd have gone for it. Good player. Well done! Come on! Well done! Keep going!
Absorb before it and then still on mine.
I don't think there's caused you a lot of problems only on 1 or 2 occasions. But if we can, like, you know, in the season, we get out the box, Katie, get out. Backwards to sideways passes, get out 3 yards.
It's hard when they've got comfortable set. That's how they've scored.
It is. I'm not telling you to get out when they've got comfortable possession. I'm telling you when the ball goes back, when the ball goes sideways, even if it travels 13, 15 yards, get out, get out, get out. 2 yards, 3 yards, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Look at the champs wise. One that's hit the bar for them. Great save from Chris on the shot. That's the difference. That's the difference. So just believe in what we do, how we do it. I'm trying to get the best out of you, so we get up there, run your balls off for all of us and try and get on the
Tight! Get tight!
Need to get hold of the game for a bit, get us going again. I knew we'd scored too early when we scored.
Hey! That's ours!
He's sweating our lad out.
Hey! Gotta go!
Got to go. Chris and him were in there. That was a goal. I thought it was a pen. Seen them giving them.
Get up! Hold it, Rhan! Hold! Get up the field! Get up! Get up!
It's got to go in! Hold on. See you next week. Hold on. Referee. Penalty there. You watch it back. You watch it back.
Boys, well done. Natural to be disappointed because I think we should have got more out of the game. I think we should have got more out of the game, but you know, it's not our sight. You want down on half time. You know all to play for over there.
Yn amser, yn lwcus dwi'n meddwl, sydd wedi gallu mynd unrhyw ffordd fysa.
Like you said, the game was tight. You know, perhaps had a bit more possession than what we did, but I think on the balance of it, you know, it's we're a bit unfortunate not to come away with something today. So we'll go over there next week and give it a right good go.
I think overall we just play well. Just two goals that probably we should have defended better, but we got again next week, and then it was nice to score a goal really. I'm made up for it.
I thought we scored early, which was quite good, but it obviously triggers them as well, the full-time team. They asked a lot of questions of us. Chris has had a header just past the far post in the second half, and then obviously the Lasse Mendes blatant penalty, which I think it is, and the players who are close to him have said it is as well. You know, I'm proud of the lads' fitness levels to compete with them, a real big test that we've had. And, you know, the tie's not over. It's important that we go about it and do ourselves justice in the second round, really. But I'm proud of the lads, and hopefully we can go and do well there next Thursday.